Wow. Good morning, it's the next day actually. I just had too many decisions to make. It was like me sitting back behind the camera making a lot of decisions because I just cannot decide exactly how I want this, and that's what the problem has been with this planner, why it's taking me so long. I just don't really know exactly how I want it set up. So I do have all of the months in here. I've been watching a lot of other girls, like a lot of other people's videos on YouTube to see how they have their social media planners set up to kind of get some inspiration. They're all old calendars. I am gonna have to renumber them, and that's fine. January obviously already passed and I didn't have this ready. So I'm gonna still set up January and use it as kind of like a rough draft for the other months. Let's see how a few people were using this layout and kind of transforming it and covering these up and putting like the different platforms on the side, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Patreon, stuff like that on the side. I'm sorry about the lighting, oh my gosh. Then putting the days of the week on the top. I'm not exactly sure if I'm going to do it exactly that way, but I think that is how I'm going to kind of use this layout. I only have one right now, so it goes the month. So here's like the monthly overview, which I'll use to like lay out when I'm putting each video up. And then this will be for each specific platform, and then the back just has the monthly like overview stuff, and then it goes into the next month. So that's how I have it for right now. So again, like for February, which I still have to change the numbers around, it's not correct, from a different year, it's from 2022. And then it goes into that same thing here, which I'm gonna have to change layout. O'Malley is on my lap and she's gonna tear up my Hello Kitty blanket. Did you just fall into there? And then it has this page layout, and then it has the back again and goes into the next month. So that's literally all I have for now. And then at the very back, I have those dry erase dividers. So I also have these pages, but I don't have them for every month. I also have these, and I'm not sure if I want to use these, but I am probably just going to throw these in the back for now. But like I said, I don't have them for every month. I think I only have them for 4 out of the 12 months of the year.
Let's take and just outline them a little bit, because I like them outlined. I feel like it makes them look more complete.
I got a new espresso machine, so we are going to set it up right now. My bangs look crazy. I cannot get them to look right today, so we are going to look like a child. It's fine. I'm fine with it. I'm like all cozied up because it's pretty cold today. I don't know why I feel like this looks really awkward. TV was loud. Okay, so looking at my hair. This espresso machine is so weird, okay? I was just watching Kayla Lachey's vlogs, and like, they're old vlogs, right? She'd gotten a little mini espresso machine, and I was like, I could use an espresso machine. And I was like, oh, do I have room for it? Like, where would it go? And like, I was looking them up on Amazon and stuff, and I was gonna get one. And then I logged into Influenster, and they had like 3 left to get for free. So like, what? I thought it was a joke. I thought it was fake. Clicked on it and I got it for free. We're gonna set it up and we're gonna see what it's looking like. I don't think it's gonna stay at this house though. Figure this out. It looks kind of confusing. It's ginormous. Let's get it. Like, what? It's huge, okay? Like, I got this for free from Influenster. So if you are not signed up to Influencer, I don't know what you're doing with your life. That's gonna have to be good. I'm already out of breath. I kind of opened it up once, and then I was like, oh my gosh, this is gonna be like a lot. It's packed together so well. Here's all of our little pieces. I feel overwhelmed. It's kind of light. my first time like actually seeing it out of the box. Out of the box. Beautiful. I don't know if I should just sit it over there. Quick start guide. Oh my gosh. See, this is what gives me anxiety. Why is there so many different little pieces? To like everything. I'm already confusion. It's just all of these like little parts that are super confusing. This is confusing. It's like heavy duty. Like this is like pesado. Like what? Okay. This guy like that goes inside of here. No. What am I doing wrong? That's why I was mainly confused. It's because this piece was already in there and I couldn't get it out because this is just, I guess, I'm scared. How hard do I push this in? Okay. Supposed to wash these first. I did not. It's pretty light. Nails, so it's hard to do anything. Eek. Here it is set up over here. It's super confusing, okay? So I'm definitely gonna have to read the instructions before I use it. I do need to wash all the pieces also, but it is so nice. I love that the water tank actually comes off like apart from that whole thing so that you can actually clean it. You can put all of your like little accessories in here. So I think that's supposed to be for like cleaning. So is the brush. And then this is like your little measuring spoon that opens up. Oops. And then it just closes. And then you can use this as like storage space also and put like little cups or whatever you want up there. I figure out how to get the little actual press thing in here. I don't know why I can't figure it out. I think it's because I'm not putting them together correctly. And then this also has a milk frother attached to it. So you see it's right here. And you can froth your milk and it actually comes with a little thing. Here's the cute little milk frother. And I think, see, like you can keep this up here if you wanted to, but I don't know. You want to keep it. That it's cute or whatever. Here's like some other pieces. Like I don't even know what this is all about, where that's supposed to go. And then this is like the little press thing so that once you get those stacked together correctly, this like pushes the coffee into the thing, I guess. Descaler for, is it a cleaner? I do not know. So I'm going to sit down, instructions, and decide if we can make a coffee here or not. I don't know. Soup. Ooh, yummies. Are these raviolis?
No.
What are they?
I guess you can say that, yeah.
Raviolis.
They have Italian sausage on the inside.
Raviolis. Ooh, homemade taquito, taquito.
Are you a gold jewelry wearer or do you like silver wear?
Mm-mm.
I basically have nothing silver. My mom hates gold. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna wear my
Mm-mm. Mm-mm. No. All right, so we just made our first ones. Okay, I guess this one's mine. Wow. Can I add to mine? I'm adding pumpkin spice to it, but this one, for some reason, it doesn't really taste like pumpkin spice. It's really weird. Why can't I open? I don't want to mess it up. I did. Pumpkin pie spice on the little tool. These from Starbucks. Did I already open this? Gonna break a nail. Oh, it's open. Oh, wow. That's nice. Just had to make it a little cuter. A little cuter. And add some toppings. I look like this. Let's try it this morning. That is good. That is nice. It's smooth. Hey.